हम स्टार्ट करेंगे हमारा लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ चैप्टर सेट्स। तो सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ अ सेट। लेट ए बी एनी सेट एंड यू बी द यूनिवर्सल सेट, then set of all those elements of U which do not belong to A is called complement of the set A and is denoted by A dash or A complement. Thus we have A dash where we have all those elements of U which does not belong to A. तो A dash में वो elements होंगे जो कि A में नहीं होंगे, as you can see from here. Example, if U is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 10 and A equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then what is A complement? That is denoted by A dash. You have to see the elements in U which are not in A, right? So you will write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these are the elements which will be in the A complement. So if you have U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A is equal to 2, 3, and B is equal to 3, 4, 5, then find A complement, B complement, A dash intersection B dash, A union B, hence show that A union B dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. So here we are given A complement, we can easily find out because we know how to find A complement, that is 1, 4, 5, 6. We have to see that which elements, those elements of U which are not in A. Then B complement is those elements of U which are not in B, that is 1, 2, 6. Then A complement intersection B complement, you know how to find intersection, that is 1 and 6. Then A union B is 2, 3, 4 and 5, so that A union B complement is 1 and 6. So you can see that A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Then let's start with some practical problems. If A and B are finite sets, then cardinality of A union B is equal to cardinality of A, cardinality means order, plus cardinality of B minus cardinality of A intersection B. As you can see from the figure also, cardinality of A intersection B, you can easily see from there, from the arrows. So here you can conclude that cardinality of A intersection B, A union B is equal to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B. You have to subtract cardinality of A intersection B, क्योंकि A intersection B की जो cardinality है वो 2 बार काउंट हो रही है. उसके बाद if A and B are two sets such that cardinality of A equal to 17, cardinality of B is equal to 23, and cardinality of A union B equal to 38, then you have to find cardinality of A intersection B. You know the formula, cardinality of A union B is equal to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B minus cardinality of A intersection B. And you also know what is cardinality of A is 17, cardinality of B is 23, and cardinality of A intersection B is 38. You have to just put the values and you will be able to find the value of cardinality of A intersection B. You know the value of cardinality of A union B. Actually here it is A union B. So it is equal to 2. Now if A and B are finite sets and cardinality of A is equal to cardinality of A minus B plus cardinality of A intersection B, or cardinality of B minus A equal to cardinality of B minus cardinality of A intersection B. So you can see from the figure also. So in a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only and not cricket? How many like tennis? If we talk about 56 people में से 40 जो है क्रिकेट लाइक करते हैं, 10 दोनों लाइक करते हैं क्रिकेट एंड टेनिस बोथ. हमें ये निकालना है कि जो सिर्फ टेनिस को लाइक करते हैं बट क्रिकेट को लाइक नहीं करते, और कितने जो कि सिर्फ टेनिस को ही लाइक करते हैं. So let A be the set of those who like cricket and B be the set of those who like tennis. Then cardinality of A will be 40 because how many people like cricket, that is 40 like cricket, and cardinality of A intersection B, intersection means both, that is 10. We know that both cricket and tennis, how many people are there? 10. Then cardinality of A union B, total are 65. Then using the relation cardinality of A union B equal to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B minus cardinality of A intersection B, just we have to put the values. Then you will be able to find the value of cardinality of B, that those people who like tennis only, that is 35. So we require the number of persons who like tennis only, not cricket. So how will you find that is cardinality of B minus A? That is cardinality of B minus cardinality of A intersection B. We have seen this formula. That is 35 minus 10, that is 25. So 25 persons like tennis only, not cricket. So this is the answer. So thank you. So we have completed this chapter, sets chapter. So if you like my video, please share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.